Yes, it's a killer sometimes. That stop sign snuck up on us, and I think another one is about to sneak up on us. Yeah. Dark. What's up?
See, Japan showed me to go ahead, go this way again. Oh my God!
What is it? But it's like a shortcut though, right? How many minutes it say?
You see?
Oh, it's taking us the wrong way?
No, it's good, but
it's taking us a.
see?
Man. Okay. Whew.
Okay, what next?
Damn, they say all that. Oh, we took a wrong turn. They're not gonna charge me more now.
No, don't worry. It's the same mileage. It's
Oh, yeah, okay.
the same mileage. Don't worry. They count on the mileage.
It's not like a cab. Cause you know what a taxi cab is? No, you don't know what a taxi cab is. But yeah, it's like a meter that it runs, and well, I'm old school, I guess. We almost did, huh? Oh, traffic coming up. Oh, Beach Boulevard, thank you.
You're welcome. I told you, don't worry.
Woo. Yep, that's why I turned off right when I was breaking down. But I tried to go for a long time. I moved for a long. I parked. I called my boss. Call my boss. She said, "Get it." So it's coming up. I know.
Okay, what next?
Straight.
Oh, straight.
Yeah, and then it comes. Then it's coming. Woo! It's bringing back memories.
See, the red point. It's
Circle K, baby. The red. That's me. Yeah. Mercedes. It's there, baby. It's there.
Where?
That Mercedes right there, straight ahead, baby.
This one?
Yeah, the convertible, baby. It's dead though. Am I?
Cabriolet?
Yeah, the cabriolet, baby. I didn't want to get all deep with your CLK cabriolet, but
it looks good.
yeah.
I thought it's old, but looks good.
But no, that's why we're gonna save it. We work on it. I'm gonna fix it. You'll see me again, man, if you ever come out on an Uber. Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
Now we good. Everything straight. I don't gotta pay nothing, right? Just get out and they're gonna charge my card, right?
Okay.
All right, that's how I go.
Okay.
That's how I go, right? Oh, okay. You want to make sure.
Okay, have a good day.
All right, brother. Have a great day, man.
Thank you.
Ooh, oh yeah. Ooh, my blood pressure. All right, guys. All right, enough of the damn pleasantries. Yeah, this is dark side of Mercedes Club. I broke down. I just rode an Uber. The Uber scared me to death. Yo, bro. Uber. This is my first time riding an Uber, and oh my God, bro, my blood pressure is up. So that's why I'm mad, guys. That's why I stayed up. Yeah, that's why I really want to say hi, guys. All right, enough of the motherfucking pleasantries. It's the dark side of the fucking Mercedes Club. But anyways, I'm here. There go my baby. I'm waiting for the tow truck now. Should I just leave it on? I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna go buy a Black and Mild and just wait it out. Wait for the tow truck and get my baby home. Yo. Alright, but I gotta turn this fucking light off because that shit shining like a motherfucker. Alright, yo, I'm gonna end this video real quick. That's how I thought I was gonna be riding a bike in it. Well, I'm gonna be Ubering it. I don't know if I'm gonna be Ubering it. I don't know if I don't really know about Uber. That was a crazy experience. Alright, though. That Uber is... Woo! I don't know if I'm an Uber everywhere. I really don't. That was scary. That was a guy who didn't know what a taxi cab was. That was a guy who was about to pass a stop sign, and I had to physically tell him, like, oh, a stop sign, like 2 or 3 times. My daughter did tell me that's what happened on Uber, but wow. All right, let me go inside here and get this black and mild. I guess I'll get back. I'll make another video when the tow truck comes. One.